In a world that is increasingly complex, designing for the future can feel like navigating a vast and treacherous ocean. Like a ship at sea, we need to be able to chart our course, find our way through the unknown, and avoid getting lost in the vastness of it all. But how can we do that when the world is changing so quickly and there are so many variables to consider? Introducing Gigamapping, a systems oriented approach to design that can help us navigate the complexities of the world and create sustainable product service systems and sustainable business models. Gigamapping is a process of mapping out complex systems and entities in a way that is messy, complex, and full of information. It's a special kind of map that gives you a rich picture of a life situation using mixed types of information, like graphics, texts, or images. Gigamapping can be very useful for identifying gaps in knowledge. Also, to organize and make sense of complex information. It can help you find the unknown unknowns by helping to spot unforeseen problems or the bottlenecks in a system. Finally, it is the ultimate bridging device. It can help groups of very different individuals acquire common understanding over a topic. Gigamapping allows you to understand both the macro and the micro level by not just looking at a single problem, also its broader environment and related topics. You can combine and relate categorically different entities, which will help you understand the interrelationship and get a grasp of the broader system. Let us examine this example that tries to understand hyperconnectivity as the lines between physical and digital world get blurred. The problem is described broadly, and all actors playing a role in the system are mapped out. Also, it goes more in detail about the psychological mechanics of binge watching using causal loops diagram. Finally, it shows the broader implications of hyperconsumption on a system level. How to do it? Well, in order to do gigamapping, you start with selecting the participants and the research subject. After that, you will determine the tools you're going to use. These tools can be drawings, user journeys, text, or graphs. After that, you start your investigation and make relations between parts of your map. Finally, you work on your design and you scrutinize your map. Here are some tips we can give you to Gigamap. Don't use any framing or rules because that would be counterproductive. Don't be afraid if your Gigamap is vague and unresolved. Deactivate any filter of relevance. Don't map with the task in your mind, but rather by considering the field or the theme. In summary, Gigamapping can help get a grasp of the big, complex problems for the designer. It compiles rich and diverse information across different fields and disciplines. Using this tool will help you construct, critique, and adjust the boundaries of your system. To conclude, Gigamapping is a powerful tool for designing sustainable product service systems and sustainable business models. So let us create our own Gigamaps to shed light on complex systems. Like a ship at sea, let us use our skills and knowledge to chart our course through the unknown.